Alright, this is our little room.
Ja.
This is the first bathroom to the left. Alright, you need to know that. To the right, you see a little little kitchen with wow! Everything you want. Look, dummy. You love this. Oh my gosh, look at this. A little bit of everything. Oh my gosh, baby, there's even a camera, baby. Oh, you forget a camera? I swear.
I can't believe it.
I know. I'm gonna show you guys the view. Look at this. Whoa. This is awesome. That's the 15. Let me show you guys a little bit more. This is the bed where my baby and I are gonna sleep and just hold hands. The view again. And let me show you. This is my bathroom. Hello! For my cosmetics. My jacuzzi, of course. My thingy, I don't know what's that for. Hey. And my robe, iron, blow dryer. Thank you, Larry. You were right. Woo! This is awesome. This is my baby's bathroom with a TV, with a shower because he doesn't need a bathtub. And this is me again. Hi, Django. I missed you already, Mama. I have my because it's cold, as you know. And this is my baby. Hi, Papa.